Hello everyone. Python Basics Tutorial for Beginners. Introduction. Python is a popular programming language that is used in a wide range of applications, from web development to scientific computing. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic concepts of Python programming, including data types, variables, control structures, and functions. Getting started. Before we can start programming in Python, we need to install the Python interpreter and a text editor. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website at https://www.python.org/download/. We recommend using a text editor such as Sublime Text, Visual Studio Code, or Pycharm. Once you have installed Python and a text editor, you can open a new Python file in your text editor and start writing code. Data types. In Python, there are several built-in data types that you can use to store and manipulate information. The most common data types are numbers, integers, and floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, dictionaries. Here's an example of how to create variables with different data types. X equals 5. Y equals 2.5. Hashtag strings. Name equals Alice. Greeting equals hello, plus name. Hashtag booleans. Is underscore student equals true. Is underscore teacher equals false. Hashtag lists. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Names equals Alice, Bob, Charlie. Hashtag tuples. Point equals 3, 4. Hashtag dictionaries. Person equals name, Alice, age, 25. Control structures. Control structures allow you to control the flow of your code based on certain conditions. The most common control structures in Python are if statements, for loops, while loops. Here's an example of how to use an if statement. X equals 5. If x greater than 0, print x is positive. If x less than 0, print x is negative. Else, print x is 0. And here's an example of how to use a for loop. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For number and numbers, print number. Functions. Functions allow you to encapsulate a block of code and reuse it throughout your program. Here's an example of how to define and call a function. Def greet, name. Print, hello, plus name. Greet, Alice. Conclusion. This tutorial covered the basic concepts of Python programming, including data types, variables, control structures, and functions. With these building blocks, you can start writing your own Python programs and exploring the many applications of this powerful language. Thank you.